to connect the sprinkler to pipe, there are so many options. Either you can select the sprinkler, pick connect into option, just pick the pipe. It will be connected automatically. Okay. I'll do one thing. I just go through a section. Okay. Take the same. See, this is the sprinkler. See, this will be the connection, right?
Okay.
Okay, but see, the pipe size is 15. While connecting automatically, while you're using this connect into option, the pipe will be connected as per the connector sizes given, as per the connector size given in the sprinkler connector. For the sprinkler connector, it is actually given as 50. Actually, the pipe is 25. So just do one thing, just select the pipe. Either you can go to section or just select the pipe and change 15 to 25, right? So just see the selection, right? So this will be the connection, right? Okay.
Okay.
The same, I will connect this pipe. I'll do one thing, I will just delete this pipe. Okay. If I pick this minus option, it is turned into elbow, right? If I pick this plus option, it is turned into T. Just right click pipe and just go to, just connect into it. Pick this point. Okay. Actually, here, if I'm taking section, just in like this, right? So just select the pipe and change the size to 25. That's it. The reducer will come automatically. Okay. Also, I'll show you something else. We have the sprinkler pipes here. See, consider we have the sprinkler pipes here. 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 Okay. We have 3 pipes here. I mean, 3 sprinklers here. And I have the main pipe here. So this is the main pipe. I have to give the connections for this pipe. Okay. So how will you give? This is like 32. Okay. Either you can do like this. Connect into this, pick the pipe, select the pipe and change the diameter to 25. And I'll take section. Okay, so it is given like this, but you know that the connection is not as per the detail, as per the standard detail. As per the standard details, it is like this. I'm going to change the offset level of this pipe. I'm going to give us 3.4 meter, and I'm going to take this tool. To more extend single element, connect this one. So this will be the standard connection. Right? So this will be the standard connection, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just try to take the 3D view. See, actually the file is not coordinated, so just hide the scope boxes. We have seen the scope boxes, right?
Yes.
See, so here comes our connection. Okay. Actually, this line is wrong because we can support the pipe, right?
Yes.
The duct just comes above the firefighting line. So either we have to shift the duct. We don't have the provision to change the location of sprinklers. Only we have the provision to change the duct location. Okay, either I can move here or else I can change this flexible duct or something like that. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Just try to complete the line.
Okay.
Okay. See, we can try to do the coordination once we complete all the services. So I just want you guys to do the the modeling side. Okay. You don't need to do the whole modeling. Actually, it is only a simple line because everything is typical. You can just copy paste it. See, everything is, especially this firefighting line is typical. Like you can just make it into copy or paste.
Okay.
Okay. But while modeling, just try to do that. Do not maintain the offset level. Like you can drop it, you can up it, and drop it, you can up it like that. Don't go for the same levels.
Okay.
We model lines with different levels.
Okay.
Because while coordination, we have to adjust the height of the pipes, every pipes. For example, where is the starting? Okay, this is the starting line. Actually, we have a zone control valve in this line here, but it is not given. But just provide some zone control valve here. I'll do one thing. I will send the families for the zone control valve. You know zone control, right? You know about zone control valve, ZCV?
No.
Okay. Actually, I think you are aware about the firefighting.
Oh, firefighting தெரியும்.
தெரியும்ல?
தெரியும்.
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 Okay, then what is ZCV, zone control valve? Okay, it is an assembly. You know that. I think you know, but maybe you are confused about the word. That's it. What is zone control valve? Zone control valve is an assembly for controlling the. Give me a second. Hello.
Nice.
Yeah. Can you hear?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll see about zone control valve. Actually, zone control valve is an assembly. I think you've seen it. It's an assembly of butterfly valve. You'll be having a flow switch. You'll be having a pressure gauge, and you'll be having a drain cock in that assembly. In the main branch, you can find the particular assembly. You haven't seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That's it. So do one thing. Just provide a zone control valve in the main line, because this zone control valve will be controlling the whole zone. The water of the whole zone. Okay. So from the zone control valve, actually in our design drawings there is no zone control valve, but please try to provide a zone control valve in this area.
Okay.
This area and this area, because this is the main line. See, this is a network, right?
Yes.
For every network, we have to provide a zone control valve. So provide here one, also here one.
Okay.
Okay. If you need details, I'll give it. I mean, you don't have the zone control valve details, I'll give it. I'll provide the families. If you need the detailed connection, I mean the standard typical details, I'll give it.
Okay.
Okay. So try to do the modeling of first. Try to place all the sprinklers here. Every sprinkler is up and down sprinkler, simple. And try to do the modeling side. Modeling, while doing modeling, just do like this one. I'm starting from 3200. Here we have 80 after 65. So I will make split here and I will just make into 65. Okay. While taking the branches, see here you have the upright sprinklers line here. Okay. So I'm just going to place this one, show center. ഇതെടാ എന്നടാ പറയും എപ്പോ കഴിഞ്ഞു വരാം എന്നാ അതന്നെ ആ പറയ് ഇല്ലെന്ന് വില പോലെ നഷ്ട പോരപ്പ it is not matching with the ceiling height, so just check the ceiling height is 2.9 meter. So select the sprinklers, select all instances visible in the view, make it to, this is correct, okay. I have to change this to 2.9 meter, right?
Okay.
And I'm going to make a connection. There is a pipe there. I'm going to start from here. I'll do one thing. I'm creating the line. This is like 3000. So I am, either I can do like this 32. I am using the same offset, or I am going to just make an up offset here, right?
Okay.
And connecting to, you can change the size here, and also you can change the offset value. See, you can just drag it. Can be connected automatically. Just take it. Right? You have the clashes here. So try to resolve this thing. Just control this. Right. So 150. So you can do it, right?
Yes.
Okay. This project is simple. 3250. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
So like that, complete the lines. So you are not supposed to take the tab downwards, right? Like you're not supposed to make the lines like this. Right. Connect into this. This is not right. Right. What happened? Connect into this. So this connection is right, not right. This is wrong.
Okay.
Alex,
So,
you're not supposed to take the down connection to the head sprinklers. Okay. So this connection is perfect. This is
Okay.
how you have to do it. Okay. So try to do, or try to complete the whole lines. Okay. If you don't have time, no problem. Try to do this much area. So we will do all the services in this area. We'll coordinate it. And we'll prepare the shop drawings or whatever.
okay.
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 So in order to do the coordination, I need you guys to complete the modeling first. Okay.
Okay.
You can complete within like 1 to 2 hours. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Please try it, man. Okay.
Okay.